Yes, I am. Exchange, hello. I mean, you look cute. Brother. Why it was you? Game. Wait, what? Umaya. Gago, kakagising ko lang. When are we going to the Philippines, baby daddy? Kampi tayo. Wala pa akong ano nito, kakabuild ko lang itong ano na to eh. Wait lang. Oh, man. Damn. May ano lang. Ngayon ba? Meron ba today? Inactive ko yung account na to eh. Chester, hello. No. And then I'm going to Puerto Princesa. Oh my God. Puerto Princesa, and you're not going to Boracay or like Palawan? Or Siargao? Good morning, Paf. Go lang. Say lang. Ayaw nakatulog, no? Oo. Paano nalasing ngayon? Oh, I'm jealous. Oh, ready ka today? Alam mo ako today, pero yung account ko hindi. Wala tong ano eh. 1 month to nagpahinga eh. Hmm. Ban kasi yung Unico Dasay kong account. Puro spender nandun. I mean, dito rin naman. Pero, ewan ko kung magbabalikan sila. Hindi ba ito yung account mo? Ito. Din. Marami akong account. I do have a lot of accounts. Host ba to? Oo. Ito talaga mean ko. Me too. I'm getting sick now. It's December. Getting cold. Right, baby daddy? Angas mo pala. Baka mas malakas to. Actually, malakas din naman talaga to. Pag active. Ay natin. Kumain na ako. Kanina. 3 pancit canton. Oh, diet, eh, no? Tetris. Because no one's going to drop some diamonds. I just come back though. And y'all not supporting me. None. Is that your new account? Will you change your account? Pag-active mo, wait mo lang, invite ko. If ayaw, reject mo lang. Go. Rise alone. Kailangan maging, ano muna to, mag-live ako dito ng mga 1 week, ganon. Nagdatingan yung mga spender. 91, hello. Juday. Hello. Should I click it? Baby daddy? Or no? Sabi ko, ate. Hmm? Am I unlucky? But thank you, baby daddy. I appreciate you. Mm. Look, baby daddy, someone just told me that I'm ugly. Am I? I just didn't brush my hair. I just woke up. Magpapawa nga eh. Guys, my baby daddy's going in the Philippines this February, guys. Do you know some people in the Philippines, baby daddy? When you go there, do you expect a friend going? Wait, my English is not Englishing. Wait. Wait lang. Wait lang, nagbuhol-buhol. Boss and hello. Like, do you have any friends in the Philippines? Angel, hello. Gago. Nagbuhol-buhol yung English ko dun ah. You got me so hypnotized. Enzo, hello. Rolling round and round. Kingman, hello. Razy, what's love, hello. Beans. Hi, Enzo. King Kong. You let me in. Feeling around 10. Yeah. Pulling your hair. Hi, King Kong. See your legs trembling. Easy line. Let me swim in it. This version is so fucking nasty. Dirty. Oh my god. One time, hello. It's your boy, hello.